Now, an interesting port that we see in our Nmap scan result is 5900, which is the VNC port. So this is going to be like RDP on Windows. So running an Nmap scan against our target machine, that of Metasploit 2.18, we see that VNC server password. So the VNC server running on the remote host is secured with a weak password. Nessus was able to log in using VNC authentication and a password of password. So a remote unauthenticated attacker could exploit this and take control of the system. So we can try logging in or VNCing to the target machine using password. And just like that, we have full control of the entire Metasploitable machine. Looks like we are root, so who am I? Root, so cat etc password, and then cat etc shadow. Misspelled that finger that. And we're able to see all the hashes of every user in this Metasploitable 2 machine.